Lenovo Ideapad 1 versus Lenovo V15. So Lenovo Ideapad 1 is Lenovo's entry-level laptop series. So for the pros, it offers lower cost and more affordable entry point, which is good options under in the Philippines. It also has a decent base specs in better variants. It has a lightweight and fairly portable in some smaller sizes. It also offers a good battery performance for basic tasks. The cons is though, they have a display quality which often are lower tier, and the memory may be soldered and non-upgradable, and it's also having a limiting for multitasking for future proofing. And the CPU is still entry level, and they have a build quality, keyboards, and ports which are likely more basic. Now, Lenovo V15 on the other hand is a more business budget line, slightly more premium than the IdeaPad 1, with better CPU options, more upgrade potential, and features. So for the pros, they have more CPU choices in Ryzen's and other variants. They also have a RAM option which is upgradable and better, and they have a better display option, and the ports and features are more business friendly than other laptops. So overall, go with Lenovo IdeaPad 1 if your budget is tight and your usage is very light like basic office apps. And go with Lenovo V15 if you need a better performance and want some room to upgrade your RAM and need some business features.